So I took apart my Oculus Quest 2. It was broken, and instead of me returning it or selling it or whatever, I took it apart. I might be able to sell the parts or as parts, whatever. I just wanted to see what was inside, and I'm sure some of you do too. This is the eye suppressor here, the little goggle attachment. This is the front. Took off the front. This is what you see. Little fan here still works. Still spins. Got everything's tagged so you can replace all these parts yourself. The thing was, getting this thing off was a pain. I had to cut it. It would not snap off. There were no screws, nothing. Here's the eyes here. Hard drive was right here. I think it was like this. I think it went like that. Pretty cool though. Actually, I think it'd be cool if they made a clear one, a clear shell instead of the foggy white. These are the sides. These are little side ears here. Straps go on there. Strap cord. Pretty cool though, huh? Over and out.